Greetings to all learners. I, Siddharth Bulla, Faculty of Mathematics, welcome you all at the official YouTube channel of SRN International School, Jaipur. Today, in this podcast, we'll be learning about the basic trigonometry. And the trigonometry is, of course, useful after the school level. The basic trigonometry starts with the relationship between the sides of a triangle along with its angles. The trigonometry is applicable in a right angle triangle. If we split the word trigonometry in two words, that is trigonon, which means triangle, and another word as metron, which means the measure. So, trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle. If we take a right angle triangle, as you can see in the figure, the right angle triangle has one angle as 90 degree and all the three sides are named as hypotenuse, opposite side which is opposite to the angle theta, and the adjacent side of the right angle. In the trigonometry, we have 6 trigonometric functions, out of which 3 are fundamental functions and other 3 are non-fundamental functions. That means from the fundamental functions we can derive the values for non-fundamental functions. The fundamental functions are sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. If we want to relate these angle values with the sides of a right angle triangles, the sine theta can be written as sine theta is equal to opposite sides upon hypotenuse, and the cos theta can be written as adjacent side upon hypotenuse, and the last tan theta can be written as opposite side upon adjacent side. And where we know that by using the Pythagoras theorem, the opposite side square plus adjacent side square is always equal to hypotenuse square. Also, tan theta can be written as sine theta upon cos theta. So the three basic fundamental functions of trigonometry are sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, and these are the relationship with the sides of a right angle triangle. Other than these three fundamental functions, we have 3 non-fundamental functions which are the reciprocal of these 3. So the reciprocal functions will be written as the basic fundamental function sine theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. In a reverse manner, the cosec theta can be written as 1 upon sine theta. The second fundamental function, that is cos theta, is equal to 1 upon sec theta, and similarly sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta. The third fundamental function is tan theta, which is equal to 1 upon cot theta. Similarly, cot theta will be equal to 1 upon tan theta. So if we have the value of the first 3 fundamental functions, we can find the values of the last 3 non-fundamental functions by doing the reciprocal of the first 3. So this podcast was about the basic introduction of trigonometry with the 6 trigonometric functions along with the reciprocal property. If you like the podcast, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep watching our videos. Thank you.